Hey there, friends. It's Grandpa Rusty, back with the life changer. Close your eyes and picture this. You wake up tomorrow, try to stand, but your legs wobble like a newborn calf. Your arms shake, lift in a pan. Panic hits. What's stealing your strength? Seniors, stop muscle loss. Now, with this one food in your diet, spills the secret. Something in your kitchen's quietly eating away your muscles. And it ain't just age. Ever notice it's harder to climb stairs, carry groceries, or chase grandkids? That's sarcopenia, muscle loss, hitting 50% of folks over 60, says the NIH. And it's robbing your independence. But here's the shocker. One food can rebuild your strength even at 80. I've got science-backed proof, doctor-approved tips, and this one game-changing food. Welcome back, my pals from our fridge clean-out. You're gonna love this. Stick with me. This could keep you strong for years. And we'll fight this together. Hit that thumbs up if you're in. It helps a ton. Let's get those muscles roaring again. Now, I know you've felt it. Mornings when your legs feel like lead or your arms give out carrying a bag. Maybe you're tripping more, leaning on chairs to stand, or skipping playtime with the little ones 'cause you're plumb wore out. That ain't just getting older. It's sarcopenia, a sneaky disease the World Health Organization calls a global threat. Harvard says we lose up to 30% of muscle mass after 60, starting as early as 40. No pain, no warning, just weaker legs, shakier steps, and falls that land 1 in 4 seniors in the hospital, per the CDC. Worst part? It's quiet. Stealing your freedom to garden, dance, or live on your terms. Docs warn ignoring this ups fracture risk by 40% and heart strain by 25%. I've seen it. My Uncle Joe couldn't lift his grandbaby at 70, broke my heart. But here's the hope. You can stop it. One food, backed by science, can rebuild muscle, and I'll show you how. If this hits home, type 1 in the comments, or 0 if it don't. Let's dive in. Let's cut to the chase. The one food to stop muscle loss is cottage cheese. Sounds simple, but it's a powerhouse. A 2021 study in the Journal of Nutrition found seniors eating half cup daily gained 40% more muscle mass in 8 weeks. Why? It's packed with casein protein, 25 grams per cup, that digest slow-feeding muscles all night. Docs say this prevents breakdown during sleep when sarcopenia hits hardest. After 60, your body needs more protein, 1.2 grams per kilo of weight daily, per the NIH, and cottage cheese delivers. It's got leucine, a magic amino acid that flips your muscle-building switch, says McMaster University. I started eating it before bed. My legs feel stronger lifting firewood. Plus, it's got calcium for bones, cuts fracture risk 20%, and B12 for energy. Long-term, keeps you walking tall, dodging falls. Try half-cup plain. Add berries for flavor 4 times a week. If your muscles are fading, this is your weapon. Who knew cheese could be a muscle hero? Now, let's break it down. Why is cottage cheese king? As we age, muscle protein synthesis slows. Your body don't rebuild like it used to. A 2022 study says seniors need 30% more protein to spark growth, and casein slow release keeps amino acids flowing 6 to 8 hours. That's like a night nurse for your muscles. Docs warn skimping on protein doubles sarcopenia risk. 50% of seniors don't get enough. Cottage cheese also fights inflammation. Its probiotics cut joint pain 15% per a 2023 study, so you stay active. Without it, You're losing 3 to 5% muscle yearly, says Harvard. I felt it. Couldn't open jars till I added this. Mix it with walnuts or eat it solo. Easy, cheap, and your body'll thank you for decades. So, how do you make cottage cheese work? Docs say timing matters. Eat half a cup 30 minutes before bed to feed muscles overnight. A 2021 trial showed seniors doing this cut muscle loss by 25%. Choose plain, low-sodium kinds. Skip sugary fruit mixes. I blend mine with blueberries or sprinkle cinnamon. Tastes like dessert. Spread it on toast, mix in salads, or eat it straight. Takes 2 minutes. Aim for 4 to 5 servings weekly, paired with light walks or our stretches. If you're on meds, check with your doc. Calcium can mess with some pills. Start tonight. Your legs will feel steadier in weeks. If this is news, type cottage cheese in the comments. Eating cheese to stay strong? Sign me up. Cottage cheese is the star, but these 5 foods make it shine. Each one's a muscle saver, backed by science. First, salmon. 20 grams protein per 100 grams, plus omega-3s that cut inflammation 20%, per a 2022 study. Eat it twice weekly. Grilled, not fried. Keeps joints limber, heart strong. Second, quinoa. 8 grams protein per cup. A complete protein like meat. A 2021 trial showed seniors eating it gained 15% more strength. Toss it in salads. Third, walnuts. 4 grams protein per ounce with omega-3s to fight muscle breakdown. Sprinkle them on cottage cheese. Cuts cortisol 10%. Fourth, blueberries. Antioxidants/recovery time 25%, says Tufts University. Add a cup daily. Last, lean chicken. 25 grams protein per 100 grams, high in leucine. Grill it 3 times weekly. Keeps you steady. These boost cottage cheese's power, cutting sarcopenia risk by 30% long term. Let's talk big picture. This ain't just about eating cottage cheese today. It's about staying strong to carry groceries, climb stairs, or dance at your grandkids' wedding. Docs say muscle loss, if unchecked, ups fall risk by 50% and heart strain by 30%. That's your independence on the line. But a 2023 study showed seniors eating high-protein foods like cottage cheese stayed active 5 years longer. My neighbor Sam, 78, was shuffling slow, scared of falling. I got him on cottage cheese and walks. 6 months later, he's hauling firewood and playing catch with his great-grandson. He said, "Rusty, I feel 60 again." That's the power. Stronger muscles, fewer falls, more life. Start with a spoonful tonight. By summer, you could be hiking with ease. If this fires you up, hit that like button. It keeps us rolling. Whew, what a journey. That's your secret weapon, cottage cheese, to stop muscle loss and keep you strong after 60. I know weakness creeps in, stiff legs, shaky hands, but you're tougher than sarcopenia. This one food plus salmon, quinoa, and the rest can rebuild your muscles, cut pain, and save your independence. NIH says small changes now slash disease risk by 40%. That's you living big. Try cottage cheese this week. I'm rooting for you. Thrilled to see you back. Or welcome if you're new. I'm Grandpa Rusty. Here every 3 days with senior secrets. Next, we're sharing brain hacks to stay sharp. Don't miss it. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell. Let's keep this strength train chugging. Comment. You trying cottage cheese? Or say howdy. My grandkids got me here to chat, and I read every word. Share this with someone who needs it. Might change their life. Check our playlist for stretches and fridge tips. Links below. Thanks for hanging. You're the best. See ya in 3 days. Ha. Eat strong, live long. You've got this.